नमस्ते बच्चे, नमः सभायै। सबके लिए मेरा नमस्कार। सबसे पहले सबके लिए हैप्पी स्पोर्ट्स डे। दुनिया में या हम लोगों में कोई ऐसा नहीं होगा द वन हु नेवर लाइक स्पोर्ट्स। एवरीवन ऑफ अस लाइक एटलीस्ट एनी वन स्पोर्ट्स। देयर इज अ से इन संस्कृत, स्वस्थे शरीरे स्वस्थम मनः। तो जहां पर शरीर स्वस्थ रहता है वहीं पे मन भी स्वस्थ रहता है, बुद्धि भी स्वस्थ रहती है। सो अगर पढ़ाई भी अच्छी करनी हो तो वहां पे हमारे लिए क्या है, अपना स्वास्थ्य ढंग से रखना है। तो मेरे टीचर्स बोलते थे जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम्स हो, व्हेनेवर यू फेस अ प्रॉब्लम, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट योर स्पोर्ट्स लाइक अ फुटबॉल। when I want to put a goal, I want to make a goal, my opponent will come in front of me and stop my goals. That is our problem. When we will reach our aim, some problem may come. So what to do? We used to tackle the opponent and we used to make a goal. So that same way in our life, when you face your problem, when problems comes, you face the problem and tackle the problem and make a goal. Whenever we miss the goal, that time in sports we never sit and cry or worry about that. With more effort, with more practice, again we will try to make a goal. That same way in our life also, you will face again and again problem. So don't care about your problem, just reach a goal, reach your aim, like what you do in your sports, whatever sports. Okay, so in this sports day we are going to celebrate today online sports day celebration. So today in this occasion I call Mr. Arivargan sir. I request Mr. Arivargan sir to deliver speech about Major Dhyan Chand. Sir, please. Thank you Mr. Arivargan sir for giving a wonderful speech about Major Dhyan Chand. Now I request Mr. Uday Kumar sir to give his thought about fitness and wellness through sports. Sir, please.
Namaste to all. First and foremost, I extended my sincere thanks to KDS and Principal KV number 1 Arakonam to given this opportunity to talk about fitness and wellness on the occasion of celebration of National Sports Day on 29th August 2020. Healthy life is a basic right. Honorable Prime Minister said while addressing on the UN meet on Climate Action Summit. Yes, health is basic for everyone's life, particularly physical and mental health, which are related to fitness and wellness. Well, fitness is just about physically healthy. However, you might still be mentally stressed out. Wellness, on the other hand, helps you cope with all your mental issues and helps you define a lifestyle that invigorates your soul. Why mental health and physical health? Because the poor mental health a risk factor for chronic physical conditions, and the chronic physical conditions is a risk factor for the chronic mental illness. A recent phenomenon is that people with schizophrenia are at higher than average risk of physical ill health and die earlier than the general population from natural causes. The fatal conditions included cardiovascular, respiratory and metabolic disorders. How to improve your physical health? Regular exercises and physical activities promotes strong muscle and bones. It improved respiratory, cardiovascular health, which used to overall health. Staying active can also keep you maintain a healthy life and reduce the weight and reduce your risk for type 2 diabetes, heart diseases and even the risk for some of the cancer. Regular exercise is a great place to start to maintain good physical health. In addition to long time regular exercises, you can spend a limited time, or you can say little time, in front of the entertainments which are around you. What are the benefits you are getting when you are doing the regular exercises? As you know, increase the metabolic rate and burn extra calories. Suppose if they stored extra calories in the body, it may cause us the obesity. So in order to avoid the obesity, you have to burn in extra calories, which is possible only with the help of the exercises. Improve endurance, both physical and mental, and make your limber, and enable weight loss. So whenever you are going to keep on excess weight, by the exercises you can do the weight loss. Provide more muscular definition. So you have to proper muscular definition you can give by the regular exercises, and tones and firm muscles, and enhance coordination and balance. So all the organs coordinated each other and perform the function properly in order to healthy life only through the exercises. Add sparkle and radiance to your complexion. So radiance as well as sparkle, add your complexion only with the help of the exercises. And to your enhance quality of sleep. So sleep is a very essential for healthy life. So the enhances the quality of the sleep only is possible because of the exercises. Improve the digestion. The digestive capacity improved only with the help of the exercises. And decrease stress level. Whenever they increase the stress level in your body, it lead to mental illness. So the decrease the stress level only because of the regular exercises. Reduce the depression. At present scenario, most of the peoples undergo the depression. Such depression is reduced only because of the regular exercises. Strength and stamina is also increased because of the regular exercises. Reduce blood pressure and decrease the risk of the osteoporosis, and decrease the risk of the heart attack, and sharpen the mental focuses. So our mental focus become very sharpened because of the regular exercises, and also your energy level will be increased because of the regular exercises. Now, how to look after your mental health? The mental health can be maintained by only the following ways. Talk about your feelings. Whenever you feel any bad feeling something, and immediately you have to approach your best friends and you discuss your feelings, and keep active. So don't be alone. So ideal mind is a devil's workshop. So that don't keep alone, always keep yourself in active, and eat well. So balanced diet is very essential for mental health as well as physical health. So balanced diet means a diet which consists the all the nutrients such as carbohydrate, protein, amino acids, fatty acids, minerals, vitamins, water, roughage in correct amount, in correct proportion, and that is what called balanced diet. So you have to always take balanced diet and eat well, and drink sensibly. But normally, whenever you are under the stress or any unwanted feelings, drinking alcohol is not a solution. It may give the temporary relief, and further it affect your health also. Keep in touch with good people. So always touch with the good people. Don't be alone, and ask for the help. Whenever you feel something, you can ask the help from your peer group or some others. Take a break. Whenever you feel something, you have to take the break. Do something you are at the good at what you love doing. So whatever you want to love to doing something, and that things you have to do, and so that you can accept who you are. So also you have to accept who you are. So all those things are helps to maintain the good mental health. So now I want to conclude that there are many programs run by KVS, particularly the fit KVS and sports programs are performed well under the KVS guidance. So, all the Kendriya Vidyalayas followed. The students and teachers are involved in fit KVN and sports program. So now I may request you all. So the students and teachers of the KVs asked to participate in all the fit KVN and sports program and maintain the good physical and mental health. So you are making to healthy society with good education. So because making a healthy good society with good education is one of the motto of the KVS. That's all. Thank you all for kindly listening with so much patience. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir, for giving knowledge about fitness and wellness for us. Now I call upon one of our school sports personality, Master Aditya Raj Pandey, to give a talk about COVID-19 fitness at home, a feedback. Please, Aditya Raj Pandey.
Good morning, teachers, friends. I am Aditya Raj from class 10B going to give a speech upon National Sports Day, which is celebrating on the behalf of Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand was born on 29 August 1905 in Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian hockey player and the greatest hockey player in the history of the sports. He was known for his extraordinary goal scoring feat in addition to earning 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. And he was the goal scorer and the feat addition to earning 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936 during the era where the India's dominated field hockey team. Even today is considered to be the world best hockey player ever the India has produced. At the age of 16, following the footsteps of his father, Major Dhyan Chand was joined the Indian Army and represent the regiment. Tournaments brought and this game brought the potential of Major Dhyan Chand as a great hockey player into the limelight. He was unmercifully chosen for the Indian Army team was to the tournament of New Zealand. Indian hockey team won 3 gold medals in Olympic in 1928, 1932 and 1936 in the captainship of Major Dhyan Chand. In 1956, retired from Indian Army with the rank of Major, and the same year he was honored with the Padma Bhushan. He was the only hockey player who was awarded with the Padma Bhushan. He spent his last part of his life in hometown Jhansi. It is the sadness to know that in the last days of legendary player was completely forgotten and ignored by the nation for which he played. He was not even able to get proper medicine treatment towards the end. This worthy son of India silently left for his heavenly abode on 3 December 1979. Major Dhyan Chand real name was Dhyan Singh. His first coach conferred the little Chand upon him in a bid to compare his praiseworthy skillfulness in the playing hockey with the shining moon. In his career, Major Dhyan Chand scored over 1000 goals in hockey. He is only the hockey player who was awarded with the Padma Bhushan. Once when the Indian hockey team went to the tour of the Netherlands authorities broke the hockey stick of Major Dhyan Chand to check if there was any magnet inside it because he was super at ball control. He is also known as the magician of hockey. Major Dhyan Chand was such a great hockey player ever the India has produced. Really, this guy, because of his hard work, he achieved the highest level of the sports, and he is also known as for his hard working. Because of his hard work, he achieved this level. And National Sports Day is celebrated on the behalf of Major Dhyan Chand birthday. Major Dhyan Chand birthday, which is celebrated on 29 August every year, is also celebrated as a National Sports Day. Thank you.
Really, thank you, Aditya. Now we are going to see a PPT presentation about fitness sports day. Let's see. Thank you for wonderful PPT teachers. Once again, I thank KVS Sangathan and our school principal sir, Mr. Ayvagan sir, Mr. Uday Kumar sir, and Aditya Raj Pandey, and all other teachers and students to watching this program. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.